We are joined by Dave Erskine. He's the communications manager at AMD, arguably the biggest tech company in York region, if not one of. Is that right?
Absolutely. We're 2,000 people strong up in the Markham region, so pretty exciting times for us as well, and we'll get into that more, though.
Yeah, and congratulations. I understand you just celebrated your 50th anniversary or birthday.
Isn't that incredible? There's not too many companies that make it to 50 years, but we're glad that we can be part of that small group of very successful companies that we started in '69, just a dream really, and here we are now, 10,000 people strong worldwide and growing.
When you started back then, was it ATI and then it was acquired by AMD, or it gets convoluted somewhere down there, or?
Well, so AMD started in '69. As you probably know, ATI started in 1985. And came to Markham region, the Markham region where it is now, I think in '93, if I remember correctly. And so ATI and AMD, came together in the 2006 acquisition.
Okay, awesome. Thanks for the clarification. For our viewers who may have heard the AMD, what is the company all about and the kinds of products that you make?
Oh, thanks for asking that question. Well, we make some of the best products in terms of driving people's experiences. So, and what I mean by that is the Xbox One is powered by an AMD chip, the PS4, actually Sony just announced that the upcoming PS5 will be powered by AMD chips as well. So really exciting times for us, but it doesn't end there. We're actually in many PCs, and we're also in many servers out there in the world with our EPIC processors, which by the way, were launched just 2 years ago and are already taking the market by storm.
Awesome. So it's CPUs, central processing units, the brains of a computer, or the engine that drives the performance, graphics processing units, right, GPUs, and as well also on the server side and everything. So very exciting stuff. How's Collision been for you, and who are the kind of folks that you're looking to meet here at the show?
Well, this is a really exciting show for us because AMD is on a growth path right now. I think I mentioned this, but we're about 2,000 people strong at the office there in Markham, but we're looking for top talent. And as you probably know, Canada is a hotbed for innovation. We have some really exciting talent coming from the universities here in Canada. And I don't want to single out any one university because I think they're all doing a great job of really producing some top talent. And we're looking to talk to them, looking for them to approach us and ask about career opportunities at AMD.
All right, so very much a recruitment play here at this show. What do you think? You've been walking around for a bit. What's it like? What's it like being here?
I'm excited. I mean, you look around and you see so many really innovative companies and individuals, in fact, that Canada has produced. And we continue to grow, we continue to thrive. And this is very much one of those shows that really highlights that fact.
Finally, Dave, why York region? What's the appeal, do you think, to attract talent to the 905, just north of Toronto? I'm a resident, by the way. I'm not actually far from your campuses. So what do you think it is about the area that's so desirable?
Well, first of all, you should come by more often then and visit with us, because I think you would be excited to see what we're doing. We actually have a display area where we show our top technology. But York Region has been really a great partner for AMD. Exciting every time we put on a job fair or an innovation showcase. York Region is right there to support us. So great partner over the years, and I'm sure that'll continue.
And there's something to be said, if I may add, to live and work in the region as well, because you don't have to fight the downtown traffic. I love being up there. You have all the amenities that you want, especially near where you are with the area with all the amazing restaurants and bars and other amenities there. There's no shortage of great things to do and see. So it's good work-life balance, I'd argue.
Well, it's interesting that you mentioned that, because I too live right on the edge of York Region in North York. Love that area. I don't have to fight the traffic to get downtown to a job anymore. It's a 15-minute drive into the office. It's a great quality of life. There's so many parks for my kids. There's so many sports leagues for them to play in. There's just a lot for everyone to do.
Awesome. Dave Erskine from AMD, Communications Manager. I've enjoyed our chat. Thank you for your time. Have a great rest of the show.
Thanks, Mark.
All the best.
Really appreciate it.